YouTube? Eric DIY with another review for you. Today we're going to review the Microban Antimicrobial Series Showerhead. It's actually detachable. My wife is not happy with the one we currently have. She thinks this one will be better. So we're going to install it and we're going to try it out. Inside the package we have the handle itself, faucet adapter, the hose itself right here, and they even give you some Teflon tape and a washer. So directions right there as well. There's a bunch of different settings on this as well. You have the power rain setting, which is coming out fast out of the jets. You have a pulse massage, which comes out of the middle jets. You have a gentle mist, which means it probably sprays it out in a wider beam, if you will, of water. You have a rain and massage feature. You have a rain and mist feature. And you can also pause it, which they call the economy pause. It also has antimicrobial protection, so it helps prevent bacterial buildup and surface degradation. It's also less cleaning and maintenance, and it gives you better water pressure and flow coverage. So we'll see about that, because that's my biggest thing. I want to make sure that it has good flow coverage in our shower. Installation doesn't look that tough. We're just going to take the shower arm coming out of the wall. I'm going to attach the hose outlet holder thingamajiggy there, bracket if you will. Then we're going to slide in the hose with another hose washer, which goes right into the handle. It says hand tighten too, which is important. Do not use wrench or pliers. Just like that, it is installed. It didn't take much at all. Basically just hand tightening that main mount thing on there, and then just tightening both sides of the hose, and it's all set. On the underside is where the lever is to change the different modes. So I'm going to turn the shower on. Got to test it anyways. And right there would be the economy pause. You can see that it still drips out a little bit. This one would be the pulse massage. It's definitely pulsing, and yeah, I guess it could massage you. You can go over different parts of your body too, because you take it off that holder up there. This one looks to be the rain with the massage. Yep, it's pulsing in the middle. This one is the rain setting, power rain. It's coming out pretty good. This one seems to be the rain with the mist setting. That looks pretty good. Has a wide jet of water coming out the center while it's still raining on the outside. And then finally you have the full out mist, which is definitely a nice thing to have. And that's it. That's the different spray settings. We have it all ready to go for a shower, and I'm about to get a shower with it, and we'll give you some last minute thoughts about it. The Microban Antimicrobial Detachable Showerhead. So I have to admit, after taking my shower, it's actually pretty good. It doesn't get as wide as the Delta Head, but the Delta Head took up a lot of space there. So the settings were great, the massage was great, the mist was great, easily customizable while I was in there. And overall, I think we're going to be keeping it actually. I did try taking it off. It's very easy to come off the handle there and just spray it all around. So my wife has a point, you know. And she said it would make it easier for her shaving her legs and stuff, which is understandable. I would give this basically a rating 9 out of 10, only because I missed the wider range of the Delta Showerhead. Not that this didn't reach the areas it needed to. It was great, and there's a lot of water, and it was warm enough in there. It wasn't an economy one, so it worked well. If you'd like to purchase your Microban Antimicrobial Detachable Showerhead, please look for a link in the description below. Send it to Amazon. You can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. And as always, have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.